Ciao, fellow wanderers and lovers of all things Italia. We all dream of tossing a coin in the Trevi fountain, gliding through the canals of Venice, and gazing at Michelangelo's David in Florence.
Sulla prima rosa, fuori la tua casa, svolazzando la mia vita toccherà luoghi assai lontani e domani, ma ora sono qui con te, petali di
From the ancient cave dwellings of Matera to the pastel-hued charm of Procida.
colori io mi perdo, sono luminosa.
Thermal springs to the Etruscan mysteries of Pitigliano and the rolling hills of La Marche to the vibrant traditions of local festivals, these offbeat Italian destinations offer a wealth of unique experiences for those willing to venture beyond the familiar. Are you ready to discover their magic? Let's begin our exploration. Welcome to the real Italy, beyond the postcards. As you can see, Italy's beauty extends far beyond its famous landmarks. Today, we're going to explore some truly offbeat destinations, places that offer a more authentic and often more intimate glimpse into the heart and soul of this incredible country. Have you ever felt like you've stumbled upon a hidden treasure while traveling? These offbeat destinations often boast a slower pace of life, a stronger connection to local traditions, and a unique charm that you won't find in the bustling tourist centers. They offer a chance to connect with the Italian spirit on a deeper level, to savor regional specialties and to discover landscapes that will take your breath away. We're going to explore ancient cave cities, colorful island escapes, natural thermal wonders, Etruscan mysteries, rolling hill landscapes, and vibrant local festivals. So buckle up and let's uncover the best of offbeat Italy. What's your favorite way to discover the authentic side of a country when you travel? Do you seek out local recommendations, wander off the beaten path, or something else? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Matera, an ancient city carved in stone. Our first offbeat destination takes us to Matera in the Basilicata region, a truly extraordinary city famous for its sassy ancient cave dwellings carved into the hillside. Have you ever seen a city quite like this? The Sassi of Matera are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the oldest continuously inhabited settlements in the world. Streets like stepping back in time with houses, churches, and even shops carved directly into the rock. It's a surreal and captivating landscape that has witnessed millennia of human history.
Si posa sulla prima rosa,
Can you imagine what life was like living? Explore the Rupestrian churches, ancient rock-cut churches adorned with Byzantine frescoes, and visit the Casa Grata di Vico Solitario, a preserved cave dwelling that offers a glimpse into the lives of the Sassi inhabitants. Matera is a place that will truly leave you speechless. What's the most unique or ancient city you ever visited? What made it so memorable? Procida, a pastel paradise in the Bay of Naples. Next, we journey south to the Bay of Naples and the charming island of Procida, a vibrant and colorful escape often overshadowed by its famous neighbors, Capri and Ischia. Have you ever been captivated by the colorful houses of a Mediterranean island? Procida is a feast for the eyes with its pastel-hued houses clustered along the waterfront and climbing up the hillside. Its narrow, winding streets are filled with the scent of lemon trees and the sounds of local life. It's a place that exudes a relaxed and authentic island charm. Explore the Terra Murata, the island's ancient fortified citadel offering stunning views of the coastline. Wander through the fishing port of Coressella, with its iconic multicolored houses reflected in the turquoise water. Procida is a photographer's dream and a haven for those seeking a slower pace of life. What's your favorite Mediterranean island and what do you find most appealing about its atmosphere? Saturnia, a natural thermal wonder in Tuscany. Moving inland to Tuscany, we discover the otherworldly beauty of the thermal springs of Saturnia. These cascading pools of water have been attracting visitors since Roman times, and they offer a truly unique and relaxing experience. Have you ever bathed in natural thermal springs? The milky blue water, naturally heated by volcanic activity, flows over a series of travertine terraces, creating a stunning and surreal landscape. The water is rich in minerals and is said to have therapeutic properties. Imagine soaking in these warm pools surrounded by the Tuscan countryside. especially on a crisp winter day. Saturnia is a natural wonder that offers a chance to unwind and rejuvenate in a truly spectacular setting. It's a reminder of the incredible geological beauty that Italy has to offer beyond its historical sites. What's the most unique natural spa or thermal spring you've ever visited? What was the experience? Pitigliano and the Etruscan mysteries of Tuscany. Continuing our exploration of offbeat Tuscany, we arrive in Pitigliano, a dramatic town perched on a 2-for-rock cliff, and delve into the fascinating world of the ancient Etruscans. Have you ever explored the remnants of this mysterious civilization? The area around Pitigliano is rich in Etruscan history, with numerous necropolises and the enigmatic Vai Cave ancient road cuttings carved into the 2-for-rock, their purpose still debated by archaeologists. Exploring these atmospheric pathways feels like uncovering a lost world. Pitigliano itself, with its historic Jewish quarter and its stunning views, is a captivating town in its own right. The blend of Etruscan history and medieval charm makes this corner of Tuscany truly unique. What ancient civilization do you find most intriguing? And what mysteries surround it? Le Marche, Italy's undiscovered heartland. Venturing east to the region of Le Marche, often nestled between the Apennine Mountains and the Adriatic Sea, we discover a landscape of rolling hills, fertile vineyards, medieval villages, and a slower pace of life. Have you ever explored this lesser-known region of Italy? Le Marche offers a taste of authentic Italian life with its charming hilltop towns, its delicious regional cuisine, think truffles and seafood, and its stunning natural beauty. Explore the Renaissance city of Urbino, wander through the Sibylline Mountains National Park, and relax on the Adriatic coast. This region offers a more tranquil and less crowded Italian experience, a chance to savor the simple pleasures of rural life and discover the beauty of Italy's heartland. What's your favorite region in Italy for experiencing the local culture and landscape? Italy's vibrant heartbeat, discovering local festivals. Finally, one of the best ways to experience the offbeat charm of Italy is to immerse yourself in its vibrant local festivals. Throughout the year, countless towns and villages celebrate their traditions with colorful processions, lively music, delicious food, and a strong sense of community. Have you ever participated in a local Italian festival? From medieval pageants to harvest festivals, and from religious celebrations to quirky local traditions, these events offer a unique window into the heart and soul of Italy. Witnessing a historical reenactment in Umbria or celebrating a patron saint's day in a small Sicilian village. These festivals are a chance to connect with the local people, to experience their traditions firsthand, and to create unforgettable memories. They are the true heartbeat of offbeat Italy. What's the most memorable local festival you have ever experienced during your travels? So there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating world of from the ancient wonders of Matera and the colorful charm of Procida to the natural beauty of Saturnia, the Etruscan mysteries of Pitigliano, the rolling hills of La Marche, and the vibrant spirit of local festivals, Italy offers a wealth of unique experiences for those willing to venture beyond the familiar. These offbeat destinations remind us that the true beauty and authenticity of Italy often lie in its lesser-known corners, waiting to be discovered by those seeking a more genuine and enriching travel experience. Which of these offbeat Italian destinations has sparked your curiosity the most? Are there any other hidden gems in Italy that you would recommend exploring? Share your insights in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey to discover the